We all know this person. He's the one that always has it. Need a dongle? Got it. An A23 battery? Bingo. Tire changing kit? You're in luck. How about a 10-in-1 hex multi-tool with your logo seared into its bamboo handle? Turns out that even your most heavily laden friendly neighborhood go-to MacGyvers are sadly lacking in the hex department. And there's nothing more frustrating than bringing a Phillips screwdriver to a hex party. Make your MacGyver a hex hero and instill everyone else with visions of self-fixations with our customized 10-in-1 hex multi-tool.